In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know how to create a deal, keep it organized, and move it through your sales pipeline with confidence. First, open your browser and go to pipedrive.com. When the page loads, log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and head to the Deals section. This is the heart of Pipedrive, where your pipeline lives. You'll see columns that represent your sales stages, and within them, cards that represent individual deals. To create a new deal, click the Add Deal button. A form will open, and this is where clarity really matters. Give your deal a clear, descriptive title so you and your team can instantly recognize it later. Fill in the key details such as the deal value, the expected close date, the pipeline and stage if you use more than one, and any labels that help with categorization. The more accurate you are here, the better your reporting and forecasting will be. Next, select the contact or organization tied to this deal. This links your opportunity to the right person or company, making follow-ups and context much easier. When you're satisfied with the details, click Save to add the deal to your pipeline. You'll now see its card appear in the appropriate stage. From here, managing progress is simple. Click and hold the deal card and drag it across the pipeline to reflect where it stands in your process. Moving a deal from initial contact to discovery, proposal, and beyond should mirror the real steps you take with the customer. This visual movement helps you and your team instantly spot what needs attention. Whenever you need to add more information, click the deal to open it. Inside, you can refine details, add notes from your calls or meetings, attach relevant files, and review the activity timeline to keep everything in one place. Keeping these details current ensures anyone on your team can step in and understand the latest status without confusion. As your deal advances, remember to update its status. Mark it as open while you're working it, and when the opportunity is finished, select won or lost accordingly. Accurate statuses keep your pipeline clean, your metrics reliable, and your next steps clear. That's all you need to get started. Log in, open deals, add a deal with solid details, link the right contact, save it, drag it through the stages as it progresses, open it to refine information, and keep the status up to date. With consistent use, Pipedrive becomes a powerful, simple system for staying on top of every opportunity.